All right, what's up guys? It is home improvement day and we're knocking the wall out of the garage so we can park our cars in it. So as you saw in one of the previous videos, this is the Jesus room. Jesus is coming, Jesus is gone. We're gonna leave Jesus in the garage when we're done. This is Morgan's bedroom right in here. So we're gonna knock the wall out, this whole room, so that we can park the Audi and the Cadillac in this giant 2-car garage. So initially we were gonna try and do it with hammers and all that and just try and piece by piece knock this all out. But you know, I came up with the, no surprise, fantastic idea. What we're gonna do is, obviously we have the motor for the door there, so we're gonna cut around that, leave all that there, because there's a stud that goes right at the back side of it. And then we have this giant window here that we're not gonna move. So then we're gonna come down this stud, probably like right there in the middle. I realized that the wall is not attached to the ceiling, so we're gonna loop a strap in here, come inside the room, and then come all the way out right here, pop that door off the hinge, come around here, come out, tie it to good old Judy. And hopefully just be able to pull this wall down, make life a little bit easier for ourselves. And then we'll just do this half by hand, just so we don't get near the giant replacement front window. And then up there as well. And then this wall, I mean, shoot, we might even be able to, once I start hitting around this wall, we might even be able to throw a strap around in the backside and then just yank this whole section out and just get it like dislodged so we can break it all apart. So I'm looking forward to getting started. Looking forward to having these two things in the garage. And looking forward to just pulling more stuff down with the truck. So I'm gonna use my wonderful tools here. And I'm thinking there might be a cross beam here. So I'm thinking we should go above that. Yeah, we definitely might need hard hats here. Oh look, there's the room. And we have gotten through. And then there's a stud right here to the side, and this thing wiggles like crazy. Nice. Yeah.
Hey, I said something. Let me push it on the other side.
Yeah, maybe that'll work better. Oh.
Alright.
Am I tight?
Not like fully, but you're starting to pull the wall.
That's loud.
Alright, you're tight.
Okay.
Oh my god.
All right, look at that. Got the wall on the ground. That's way easier than I thought it was gonna be. We pulled the middle, start getting close to the garage door here. So then we pushed it, since we slid it out like 2 feet, 3 feet, dropped it backwards, looped the straps down low, slid it, and just laid flat on its back.
Hire us for all your wall demolition needs.
Yeah, we're basically professionals now. Just gonna let some of this dust clear out, and then we can basically just get to cutting the drywall off the 2x4s and chopping it all up, and then moving to the next section. Yeah, these 2x4s with some top dollar stuff. We're basically just gonna use this and, you know, probably be able to sell the 2x4s, build another drift car, whatever it may be, put a down payment on a house. And then yeah, we just gotta get this guy out, and we'll get the carpet lifted, and then this closet. I don't know, you could probably keep the closet in here and fit the Audi, right? Here to here.
Yeah.
Cadillac's gonna need the long boy spot. But, or you just keep the carpet in here to absorb all the fluids I leak.
Ew. That would be gross.
All right, so yeah, now we're gonna start chopping this up and make it a giant trash pile.
Am I doing anything?
I think, I don't know, keep doing it. Oh yeah, I mean it's moving.
Should I do this one?
Yeah, try that one. Yep, all right. So now come in here, kick low, kick the base out because you're hitting the carpet.
It's gonna hit me.
No, well, it's been hitting that that curtain rod, John. Give it a, here, I'll hold the top up.
Okay.
Give it a
Down
kick.
here?
Yeah, give it a low kick. All right, we're good. We'll be able to slide that out. All right, update. What's the update?
I'm tired.
We got it out. We have an open garage except for all this debris.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard.
Yeah, so we got to find the local dump or whatever it is. Probably, hopefully, get all this stuff on the trailer, get rid of it. But we got a lot of dust and crap to clean up. Got to finish pulling the carpet up and all the carpet nail strips. And
Lots of vacuuming.
yeah, a whole lot of vacuuming after the fact and sweeping. And then we got all the 2x4 framing out here. So if anyone's interested, I'll trade them all these 2x4s for a 2004 or 2007 Cadillac cts-v. Hit my line. But yeah, the truck did good. Used it how many times? Twice?
What?
To pull with the truck?
Yeah, twice.
Yeah, because we pulled this giant wall right here out from against that wall. Now we got a huge garage for the Cadillac and the Audi, and there'll be plenty of space for storage and all that jazz. All right, so that's a wrap on the garage project here. The cars are in. Morgan's happy. Plenty of room. My car, obviously, there's like a lot of space over here. Once we get rid of all the trash, my car will be over a little bit, and then we'll have a little more room between this and the Audi. But fits good. We're gonna hang some shelving that we took from out of that room on the back wall. That way we can utilize a little more storage space. Trying to get ourselves a fridge for that corner over there. So, not bad. Looks good. We just gotta figure out something to do with all these 2x4s. But I didn't think we were gonna finish this quickly. I thought this was gonna be a multi-day project, but it kicked our butts, that's for sure. Can I get a thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
Perfect. I'll see you guys next time.